In this world, we often find ourselves busy searching for the meaning of life. Chasing after happiness, peace, and success becomes part of our daily routine. But have we ever taken a moment to look within ourselves? Have we ever thought that true peace and liberation aren't found in external things, but are hidden within us? In today's story, we will learn about a young man named Kenji who embarks on a journey to discover the truth of life. Be sure to watch the video until the end, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. On the outskirts of a village, there was a small monastery where students and practitioners gathered to seek the truth of life. The head of the monastery was Master Rin, a wise Zen Buddhist monk. One day, a young student named Kenji arrived at the monastery. Kenji was always in search of answers. What is the true meaning of life? Kenji approached Master Rin and said, "Master, I am searching for the path to peace and liberation. Can you guide me on this journey?" Master Rin smiled gently and replied, "First, you must control your mind. Do you possess that power?" Kenji responded, "I will try, Master." Master Rin led him to a secluded part of the monastery where a small stream was flowing. He said, "Focus on this stream and listen to its sound. When you can hear its complete sound, you will be ready." Kenji began to listen attentively, but his mind was distracted by various thoughts. Days passed, and Kenji continued to try, but he was unable to keep his mind still. Master Rin told him, "Your mind is like the open sky, where clouds come and go, but the sky remains still. Learn to make your mind still like that sky." Kenji realized that the essence of Zen meditation was to gradually free oneself from thoughts and simply be in the present moment. He meditated daily and slowly. His mind began to calm. After a few months, Kenji returned to Master Rin and said, "Master, now I can clearly hear every sound of the stream. I have learned to focus." Master Rin said, "You have passed the first step, but the path to enlightenment is longer. Now, you will learn to control your emotions as well." Master Rin one day had him sit under a tree and said, "Be like this tree. Its roots are firmly anchored in the soil, but its branches sway freely in the wind. Similarly, in life, remain steady but free." Day by day, Kenji began to experience life through Zen. He realized that happiness or sorrow would come and go, but true peace comes from within the mind. A year later, Kenji went to Master Rin and said, "Master, I have found the truth of life. True peace does not come from external things. It comes from within ourselves when we let go of everything and embrace the present moment." Master Rin nodded with satisfaction and said, "You have advanced on the path of enlightenment, Kenji, but this path has no end. Every moment is a new lesson. Remember, a wise person is one who knows their own ignorance." Zen Buddhism teaches us to embrace life simply, to be present in the moment, and to advance towards enlightenment by freeing our thoughts. Remember, life is merely a series of moments. Stay in the present moment and find peace within your mind.